Japan Petroleum Exploration Co Ltd, JAPEX, is a company whose social mission is to deliver essential energies for essential needs. We were established in 1955 by the government as a company to develop oil and natural gas. Today, it is expanding its sphere of activity as a company that aims to coexist the use of fossil resources and carbon neutrality. When the company was first established, we worked on the development of domestic oil and gas fields. Later, we expanded the scope of our activities to include foreign countries. In addition, we are expanding the scope of our activities into energy other than oil and natural gas and carbon-neutral areas. Our strengths are threefold. The first is the JAPEX Group's comprehensive technological capabilities in oil and natural gas exploration, development, production, transportation, and sales. The second, domestic infrastructure that supports a stable supply of natural gas. And the third is the relationship of trust with our stakeholders, which is the foundation of our business. These are underpinned by a corporate culture that makes occupational health and environmental protection our top priorities. While building on these strengths, there are three fields in which we are working toward further growth. The first is the E&P field, which develops oil and natural gas. Explore the underground accurately. The necessary facilities are constructed to produce oil and natural gas. In Japan, we operate oil and gas fields in Hokkaido, Akita, Yamagata, and Niigata prefectures. We also operate Japan's only offshore oil and gas field. The oil and natural gas produced is used domestically. Overseas, we hold interests in oil and gas fields in various countries, mainly in North America and the North Sea. These operations are run in cooperation with local partners. Oil produced overseas is sometimes brought across oceans to Japan. The second is the infrastructure and utilities field, which supplies various types of energy. In order to deliver the produced natural gas to our customers, we have laid pipelines totaling more than 800 kilometers in Japan. Today, an LNG terminal with one of the largest storage tanks in Japan is also connected to this network and operated as one unit. We're also in the business of delivering LNG to customers in areas where pipelines have not been built, using tank trucks. Electricity is the newest form of energy we are delivering. Starting with solar power generation in Hokkaido in 2014, in 2020, a natural gas-fired power plant in Fukushima Prefecture, and in 2023, we opened a biomass power plant in Hokkaido, respectively. The third is the carbon-neutral field, which contributes to the realization of a carbon-neutral society in 2050. One of the means to realize a carbon-neutral society is a technology called CCS. This is a technology that collects emitted carbon dioxide and stores it underground. Injecting carbon dioxide underground is also a technology that is utilized to increase oil and natural gas production, a technology that is very compatible with our experience. We aim to launch our business in Japan by 2030. Overseas, we are conducting feasibility studies in Indonesia and Malaysia. Through these efforts, we will aim to coexist the use of fossil resources and carbon neutrality. E&P field, infrastructure and utilities field, and carbon-neutral field. Through these fields, we are committed to solving social challenges to realize the SDGs. Essential energies for essential needs. We are JAPEX.